Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 99, Quranic verses, the Jumu'ah prayer. When the prayer is done, then disperse in the land and seek your portion of Allah's bounty, and mention Allah much, both by doing the prayer and on other occasions, so that you may prosper in both worlds. Al-Jumu'ah 62:9. Hadith number 560, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Tahara 16. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "The 5 prayers and from one Jumu'ah to another, and one Ramadan to another, expiate what is between them if major sins are avoided." Hadith number 561, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Jumu'ah 40. Abu Huraira and Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with them, said that they heard the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, say, standing on the steps of the minbar, people should be wary of avoiding the Jumu'ah prayers, or else Allah will put a seal on their hearts, and then they will be among the heedless. Hadith number 562, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adhan 161. Jumu'ah 2. Sahih Muslim, Jumu'ah 5. Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Doing ghusl, major ablution, on the day of Jumu'ah is obligatory for every male who has reached puberty." Hadith number 563, narrated in Sunan Abu Dawud, Tahara 128. Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Jumu'ah 5. Samura, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "If someone does wudu on the day of Jumu'ah, it is by a dispensation, and there is a blessing in it. But if someone does ghusl, ghusl is better." Hadith number 564, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Jumu'ah 6. Salman al-Farisi, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "When a man does ghusl on the day of Jumu'ah, making himself as clean as possible, uses his hair oil, or puts on any perfume he has in his house, then goes out and does not split up 2 people, and then prays what is prescribed for him and is silent while the Imam speaks, he is forgiven everything between then and the previous Jumu'ah." Hadith number 565, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Jumu'ah 4. Sahih Muslim, Jumu'ah 10. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Anyone who does ghusl on the day of Jumu'ah, the same as for janaba, a state requiring ghusl, and then goes in the first part of the time, it is as if he has sacrificed a camel. If he goes in the second part of the time, it is as if he has sacrificed a cow. If he goes in the third part of the time, it is as if he has sacrificed a horned ram. If he goes in the fourth part of the time, it is as if he has sacrificed a hen. If he goes in the 5th part of the time, it is as if he has sacrificed an egg. When the Imam comes out, the angels settle down to listen to the reminder." Hadith number 566, narrated in Sunan Abu Dawud, Salah 211, Witr 26. Awas ibn Aus, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "The best of your days is the day of Jumu'ah, so do a lot of prayer on me during it. Your prayer is presented to me.